Good morning po and welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Welcome to another unboxing and testing. Shout out especially kay Sir Cyrus. Welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop, sir. This is the KG-Works TP09 Blowback CO2 powered airgun pistol, 4.5mm chambered in 4.5mm steel ball. Bulitas po ang bala, 4.5mm steel ball. Ayan, meron tayong magnet. Bulitas po ang bala, 4.5mm. Pwedeng copper, pwedeng silver coated. Cartridge niya ay CO2 12G po na walang thread. Tapos may free niya siyang silicone oil. Ito yung packaging, ito yung box. Ayan. Owner's manual, parts explosion, Allen range, unit 25 rounds, full metal. Yan, para siyang CC. CO2 mag, manual safety. Okay. So, lagyan natin ng CO2. Ito, locks nyo, sir. Baba mo lang. Allen screw. Lagyan lang natin ng silicone oil. CO2 cartridge, pasok. And pihit lang. Kailangan medyo mabilis lang pihit. Tamang higpit. Tamang higpit lang po. Balik natin yung base pad. Yan yung lock. Load tayo ng steel ball. 4.5mm steel ball. Yan, bulitas po yan. So pag naglo-load, sagad nyo lang sa dulo yung spring. Meron yan butas dyan eh. Okay. All metal po itong unit. Testing. Testing po, KG-Works KP09 airgun pistol. And firing. Open slide, release mag. No. KG-Works KP09